It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2019 Ranger XLT in black. It has black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 4-foot box. This has a tonneau cover as well. It's a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, your navigation, reverse camera, your sliding rear window, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. Both driver and passenger door or seat are manually adjusted. Both are heated, and the driver's seat also has manual lumbar. Carpeted mats on the floor, and you have your lighting controls, high mount light, and there's your mirror control. Then on the face of the steering wheel, we have we get the door closed here, dash controls, adaptive cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and your menu will come up as well. So we're going to get in there to the main menu. Trip 1, Trip 2, fuel economy, truck info, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Got a little cubby in the center, and we're looking at the display screen, so it's navigation with the map, and we're on the home button. When we go into audio, we can turn that down, go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. In climate, you're going to see that you have the dual climate control for driver and passenger, as well as the AC and the rear defrost. And then we can go into our settings and slide through for different options. Your Bluetooth, your navigation are in there. You can change the look of your display screen, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. So you just touch on what you'd like. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So right off the back bumper, center line, and green, yellow, red is just how close we are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. Let's put us back into park, hazard lights, volume, and tuner. And then we have the dual climate control and the fan, as well the front defrost, rear defrost, AC, max AC. You've got 12 volts as well as USB outlets down there, and then your hill descent, auto stop start for less idle time, your rear differential, tow haul, parking sensors, traction control. There's your 4x4, and you've got your terrain modes. So there's normal, I'm just pressing in the center, grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, and sand. So as the road conditions or the weather conditions change, you can adapt, and it'll change from 2 high to the 4-wheel if you should need it, depending on what you choose. And this is an automatic select shifter, emergency parking brake, couple of cup holders, the armrest just unclips, and you've got lots of room in there. And then off to the side is your glove compartment, grab handle in the body, and auto dimming, rear view mirror, lighting controls, and sunglass holder. 17-inch wheels, black door handle, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The FX4 off-road badging, which includes skid plates, and you've got the black handle in the rear. That is, tailgate is locking. You also have your backup camera just below your Ford badge, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And when you want to open it up, just simply put your hand in the latch. Comes down easily, and they've put in this carpet liner. It's actually velcroed in and made to fit, so it's quite nice in there. And then when you're ready, you want to close it up, lock it up, walk away. You can jump in and head out on your latest adventure, and you can also remote start the vehicle. Emergency speaker in the door, as well as power windows and power locks. There's seating for 3, and this is a bench seat. In the center is an armrest. We just pop that up, and then you can pull the tab. There's one on either end, but you only need to pull one, and it'll release and allow you to bring up the seat. You've got nice little bins there in your jack, and then just pull it again, it'll come right down. Carpeted mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. USB outlets as well as a 110. You've got your dome lighting up top and hooks and handles on to the side. In the rear, a sliding window with rear defrost. Tonneau cover, and it's lined with carpet. It has a 4-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, front sensors, tow hooks, and many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.